We are here taking a look at Home Decorators Collection 52-inch color-changing LED ceiling fan. It is the Ashby, and it's beautiful. You can see it has dark blades that I've installed, and it also has these lighter blades with more of a barnwood look. They're much more gray than they show up on camera. They really do look pretty nice with our wall. They're kind of just a shade lighter than our wall. Anyways, there it is, brushed nickel. You can see right here is the fan reverse switch. I like it when it's handy right there. And for those of you who are looking at ceiling hugger fans, this is the one thing you want to really know. I know it. Don't tell me. How deep is it really? How far does it hang down, folks? Not quite 12 inches. See that? There you go, 12 inches. That's a foot. So, nice and tight, but it moves a ton of air. Let's take a look at this box. You can see what's going on. This is it in the picture. You can see it's color changing. Color changing means you can do it with a warm white, a soft white, or a daylight. 2700 kelvins, which is what Thomas Edison's bulb was like, soft white, and then daylight, 5000, like God made the sun. It includes a remote that is Wii, but it works. And here we go. You ready? Boom. That is a light. Holy schmolies. So, that is super bright. It's a 20-watt LED, so it replaces like 7 million watts of incandescent. And then I'm going to hit the color changing button. You're going to see something amazing. Watch this. You see that? Whoa. Yes. So there is your 5000 kelvins. You can see that as the daylight setting. Here is warm, warm white like Thomas Edison made. And here's just a soft white. You want to see that again? Soft white. Daylight. Ooh, Thomas Edison's light. Let's do the rest of this daylight. Gosh, that is so good. And also you can dim it. You just push and hold. Boo. See that working like a champ? I don't know if you can really tell. So maybe turn this off. And then here's your fan. You've got on and off, or you've got that. So right there, that's high, because there's 3 buttons. You want to go medium, there's low. Let's say you always want to be on low, so just turn it off. There you go. Turns off, and then when you turn it back on, see how it's slowing down? It'll stay on your setting that you've determined. Look at that, 1, low. And I'm telling you, I can feel it. Moving air. All right, so let's get a little light on this box. Where do I want to show? Oh, here we go. So the airflow cubic feet per minute. This is really an important thing. At high, it's 4,800, almost 4,900 CFM. Medium, 3,300, and low is 2,200. And then you can see it's just incredibly efficient. If you look at this number, 3,600 cubic feet per minute of airflow per 88 cubic foot per minute per watt. So that's a really efficient ceiling fan. You can see it's 11.9 inches. Ceiling fan to bottom. You saw that, not quite a foot. What else is on here? 5-wheeled blades that are reversible. Super easy to install. It really does install quickly. And let's see what else there is to know. 120 watt equivalent. Lasts 1 million years. Brushed nickel. Oh, can you hear the fan? Me neither. Here, we'll go on high. And I don't hear the fan motor at all. All I hear is the wind. The wind! So, what does it take to install this thing? Phillips head screwdriver. That's it. That's it. So you can install the whole thing with that tool. It's nice to have a couple strips of electrical tape to keep those wire nuts on. But then you've got this beautiful designer Home Decorators Collection fan. The Ashby Park is really a lovely unit, and it comes with a lifetime limited warranty. There is nothing not to like about that. Holy schmolies. Are you feeling that? I'm sure you're feeling that through the video. Hey, thanks. All I can say is, Home Decorators Collection, great job. I'm a huge fan. Oh, I got dad jokes.